Welcome to this tutorial on Loom vs Camtasia, where we will explore the best screen recording and video editing software for your needs. First, let's start with Loom, a popular choice for creating quick and easy screen recordings. Loom is a cloud-based platform that allows you to record your screen, webcam, and audio, and share the video with others. It is known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it a great option for those who are new to screen recording. On the other hand, we have Camtasia, a more advanced screen recording and video editing software. Camtasia offers a wide range of features, including advanced editing tools, effects, and animations. It is a great option for those who want to create more professional-looking videos. When it comes to pricing, Loom offers a free plan, as well as several paid plans, starting at $8 per user per month. Camtasia, on the other hand, offers a one-time purchase option, starting at $249, as well as a subscription-based plan, starting at $29 per month. In terms of features, Loom is great for quick and easy screen recordings, while Camtasia offers more advanced features, such as multi-track editing and visual effects. Loom is also more geared towards simplicity and ease of use, while Camtasia is more geared towards advanced users who want to create professional-looking videos. So, which one is best for you? If you are looking for a simple and easy-to-use screen recording software, Loom may be the best option. However, if you are looking for more advanced features and a wider range of editing tools, Camtasia may be the better choice. Ultimately, the choice between Loom and Camtasia depends on your specific needs and goals. We recommend trying out both options to see which one works best for you. By considering your needs and budget, you can make an informed decision and choose the best screen recording and video editing software for your needs.